Hey there, health warriors! Today, we're diving straight into the nitty-gritty of conquering that sneaky little fiend, LDL cholesterol, right from the comfort of your home. No fluff, just facts, and a sprinkle of humor to keep things lively. The bad guy, LDL cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein. LDL cholesterol is often dubbed the bad cholesterol, and for a good reason. It can build up in the walls of your arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, which can ultimately cause heart attacks and strokes. But don't panic. Let's arm ourselves with knowledge and some home-based strategies to keep this villain at bay. The good guys. Strategies to lower LDL. 1. Eat your greens and reds and blues. Vegetables and fruits are your best friends here. They're loaded with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Aim for a rainbow on your plate. Think spinach, berries, and carrots. Not only do they look great, but they also help sweep LDL out of your system like a cleaning crew on steroids. 2. Oats and barley. The breakfast heroes. Swap your sugary cereals for a hearty bowl of oatmeal or barley. These grains are rich in soluble fiber, which reduces LDL. Think of it as a sponge that soaks up the bad cholesterol and whisks it away. 3. Go nuts. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Just a handful a day can lower your LDL levels. Plus, they make for a delicious snack. But remember, moderation is key. Don't go nuts with the nuts. 4. Fishy business. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower LDL and raise HDL, the good cholesterol. Try to include fish in your diet at least twice a week. If you're not a fan of fish, flax seeds and chia seeds are good alternatives. 5. Olive oil. Liquid gold. Ditch the butter and margarine. Olive oil is where it's at. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it can lower LDL and has anti-inflammatory properties. Drizzle it on your salads or use it in cooking for a heart-healthy boost. 6. Cut the trans fats. Trans fats are a no-go. Found in many fried foods, baked goods, and margarines, they increase LDL and lower HDL. Always check food labels and steer clear of anything that says partially hydrogenated oils. 7. Get moving. Exercise is a fantastic way to boost HDL and lower LDL. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise each week. Whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or dancing around your living room, just get moving. All right, champions of cholesterol control, it's time to put these tips into action. Incorporate these changes into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to a healthier heart. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let's spread the word about beating LDL together. Stay healthy and keep smiling. Remember, you're not just lowering cholesterol, you're adding years to your life and life to your years. Now, who's ready to kick some LDL butt?